Hello! Welcome to another episode of Let's Build a City with me, Maddie. I'm the community ambassador, and this is
Patrycja, community manager.
In today's episode, we get to do high density buildings, so we're gonna get even more traffic.
Yes, you sound so excited about the idea. But yeah, so just to recap, last time we actually built some public transport stuff. So it was buses. First time for me, definitely not the first time for Maddie. Just to let you know, some building happened, obviously, behind the screen. Some better and worse building, depending who was holding the pad.
I built nothing.
I'm going to prove you wrong. So this thing.
I was trying to make an egg about, and it just magically turned into a perfect circle. I don't know what to say.
I'm so disappointed. Like,
I don't know what to say.
It was supposed to be an egg about, and like, look at this, chat. Look at this, judge.
What? Look at it from above.
Like,
you'll see how perfectly circular it is.
It's not an egg about, unfortunately, because I didn't know how to handle the little trash crisis. So we got left with 7 landfills.
It's fine. Can you have too many?
We'll see.
We could actually leave a few of them. I think these two are in definitely in the path of being destroyed, and then that one that's a little like all the ones on this side. I think at least we could probably move one of them to over where the industrial area is, but yeah, they should all at least move.
Well, there's one thing actually that I did good. We have a lot of money, so
we do have.
Move.
You're sitting in the way of the. Just gotta scoot to the left a little bit.
No.
Oh, it's 700K, so we're good. Yeah, let's place them near the industrial area because they're still going to cause a little bit of pollution.
Okay.
Maybe down by the river there. The river's already polluted, so what's the worst that can happen? You can't add to a positive number. Like, he polluted already.
Let's just make it worse.
Yeah.
Why not?
We'll clean it up later when we have all the green buildings.
Yeah, we'll try our best. Okay, let's say here.
Just place a couple. Maybe like 2 or 3. The incinerator trucks, they're only going to go to the landfills now to collect the garbage, so you can just place them wherever. As long as there's like not a ton of traffic like from where they're supposed to pick up the trash to the incinerator, which we don't really have, so we can just place them wherever.
Okay.
I place them near, just mainly so that you know where they are. That's usually my problem when I build a city, that I just make it too big and then suddenly I'm lost in my own in my old mishmash of roads. I think when you start up building or when you start playing the game, one of the things that you should really take advantage of is to use all the info panels, because they can give you such a good overview of what you can build, what you should build, what you're lacking, and what you have too much of. So that you can save money or, potentially need to spend more money on. It's,
just a good way
very
to
helpful.
Keep track on everything. Compiled in one nice panel, so that's good. Okay, so we're good with electricity, I guess.
Yeah.
Water, not bad. I actually needed to build some extra water stuff here, so we're polluting on both sides now.
Poop river, poop river, poop river. Traffic flow?
It's not bad.
I'm seeing one road that I would upgrade, but other than like the road on the other side of the bridge there where the industry gets onto the main road.
Here.
Yeah. I'd probably we do have the 3-lane road. Or the 2+1 road. That we could probably use, because the queue that we're seeing, they're just queuing to get onto the road, so if we do 2 lanes out and 1 lane in, it should be fine.
Okay. I was also thinking about the roundabout here.
Yeah, that would also help. So it's
what's so good about this one?
So when you have asymmetric roads like that one, you can, because here we see like all the cars lined up to exit. There's not a lot of cars that's lined up to enter the industrial area. So we would just want to give them more space to be able to, enter the intersection. What's the reason that you have not yet connected the highway? So this map, the basic layout, while she upgrades the roads, the basic layout of the big map is there's like 2 highways that run parallel, and then there's 1 river. And if you then connect those highways together, all of the traffic spawning from like the edge of the map, suddenly they're going to be like, ooh, there's 2 new outside connections on the other side, so I'm just going to use this highway to connect them. And it's going to flood the highway. It's going to look crazy. There's going to be a high amount of traffic on there.
Yeah, that's a busy. Be easy place. Yeah, we'll make a egg about someday, somehow.
Eventually. But yeah, you can now move the lamp. Or you already moved it. I think is it time for highway? Now that you moved it.
Okay, I'll just double check everything is okay. Oh no, there's a building I need to delete here.
Oh!
Look.
I see what we're avoiding here.
Look, I'm not avoiding anything.
I usually start with the body of the highway, so do the 2-lane roads. Or is that 3-lane? Yeah, it's 3-lane. So the 3-lane highway, that's the one that looks like a double. Yes, yeah, that one. And then we want it, I think we want it elevated. So I'd probably start not connect it from the beginning, and then like start like doing the angle just like right across the river.
Okay.
So yeah, no, just don't connect it to begin with, and then like start like near the wind turbine, mainly to get the angle right.
Okay.
Because you'll get the guidelines if you on the other side of the street there.
Okay.
So the line that goes with that road, all those guidelines, they're going to be parallel with that road.
Okay, let's try this.
Yep. Elevated. Oh. Oh, elevate it from the beginning so that it'll
yeah, okay.
so we don't have to intersect with that road. It'll go over it. Well, that is so high.
Okay, maybe not that high.
That's that down 2 more. Okay, yeah, no, 1 more up. Yeah.
Okay.
And then across, just straight line. see which houses we get to demolish. A little bit to the left, I think. Yeah, that snap. Yeah, perfect. Hit it.
It happened. Okay. So we're trying to connect to this spot somewhere.
I actually probably want it to go up and then down into the highway, just so we can potentially cover more space of the city from the highway that we're building.
Okay.
Give more opportunities to build entries and exits and stuff. True. You can probably lower it. The higher it is, the more it costs too. So having it as low to the ground but still elevated is probably good. I'd make it straight for a little bit. Yeah. 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 Oh, yes, go.
I need to elevate it a bit, but yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay.
This is gonna look funky.
Keep going.
Yeah.
Keep going.
Yeah, keep going straight a little bit there.
Well, I could probably lower it now.
Yeah, probably.
Like this?
Yeah. Okay, I think we're gonna stop there and now try to do it on the opposite side. So keep it on freeform and use the guidelines to get a perfect parallel road. So see where the highway ends?
Yeah.
So go up. Don't actually connect it to the road that we have. Not this one, the one that you just built.
Okay. So should I build like here, not connecting it at all, right?
Yeah, don't touch this one.
Okay.
The one that we just built. If you move it right next to the node, the last node, and then to the right. Yeah, perfect. Yes, right there. Click.
Yep.
And then 90-degree upwards. Yeah, perfectly straight upwards.
Come on.
No, it'll snap. No, it'll snap. That's where it snapped is where I want it. So downwards a little bit. Yes. Click. Oh. Oh, it actually connected. Oh, I didn't want to connect. I just wanted the angle.
Okay. Now, once again.
Trial and error.
Okay.
All right. So do that again.
Well, I probably should go to straight maybe.
No.
Freeform?
Freeform.
Oh, okay.
It has to be the same tool for us to recreate the angle. Yes. Yes.
Okay.
I think it's off. It's off. Whatever. All right. So keep going all the way down. Keep going. Keep going. So I wish I could touch the screen and like point stuff.
No.
So that node, the one that you're just next to, if you move the road underneath so it's not red so you can actually see it, there's like a circle on the road, right?
Yep.
That's a node. And you want to have this one just parallel, like perfectly parallel to that node. So if you go above a little bit, just angle the camera upwards So yeah, see that one right there on the road?
Yeah.
Right before it, like it turns to a curve and then it goes the other direction. We want that node right in the middle. So try to get it right on that one. So one step, yes. Perfect. Cool. So they're not perfectly parallel, but that's fine. Real life is messy. Yeah, that's good. Good enough.
There we go.
Yes.
Okay,
so now we have to connect those two. It
Easy peasy.
should be doable with freeform. Worst thing, if push comes to shove, we'll delete that little road that comes from the industrial area and try again. Because I don't think the avenue will... yeah, so try to get the angle to be 180. Yep. And then see if that'll... Yeah, see, we have to delete that road going to the industrial area. But that's it.
Okay.
So delete that and then do the freeform again. Yes! Oh!
I couldn't care less about your opinion, citizens, honestly.
Oh, that's awesome. Okay, cool. Cool. And then just connect it. Yeah. The bridges are going to be a little bit off because yeah.
I mean...
They're a little bit different lengths, but the first segment is beautiful.
Yeah. I'm actually quite proud of it.
Yeah.
Looking good.
Cool.
I mean, now we have like this thing.
I really like it. I don't think it's such an eyesore just because it isn't perfectly parallel. That's a delicious noodle right there.
Not a straight one, but yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
At least they're like irregular on both sides, so it's not just like screw up one
and
side.
like, again, find me a real life highway that is perfectly parallel. Now we just have to connect the highway to the other highway.
Why are you so happy about that?
Because it's so much fun. So there are a couple, did we unlock the already pre-built ones if you go one to the right? Yeah, we did. So we could use the T, like the, what is that?
This one?
Yeah, the three-way intersection. Yeah, we could use that. If you can just show it off, if you click it, it should leave like the imprint of it. Yeah. We could use that, or we could build our own. I don't know what you want to do. I think we're going to use that one.
Okay.
So just delete the highway there. Don't get too close to the edge of the map, but we can actually unlock a tile.
Yes, we can.
So we could unlock the tile right next to it just so that we don't have to worry about accidentally deleting.
Okay.
Yeah.
This one?
Yeah.
It's so cheap.
Only 8,000. So cheap. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, good. Plop.
Okay.
Ooh. Spend all the money. We still have 600,000. What do we have to care about here?
Okay, I'm really bad at placing roads, but I'm good at making money, so...
Yeah. Yeah, that's where we differ. So that point there in the middle, that's the apex.
Okay.
So I think that's way too sharp, I think. I can't even see where the other road is if you angle the camera a little bit. So try to get it in the middle of those two. A little bit more. Yeah. Up, maybe? Yeah, that's very good.
Okay.
This one's gonna be even snakier. Hopefully, yeah, really good. All right, now you just have to change the direction of one of them. That is a perfect curve.
Did it. He did it.
If you start from the other direction, you can have the direction of the road be perfect from the beginning. Yeah. Ooh.
What's there? Here.
Down a little bit, I think. No, like a little bit shorter. Yeah, that's good. I think. Yes. Oh, look at that.
That actually looks really good.
Yeah.
Okay, for once.
Yeah. And then flip one of them. And then we're done! Then it's connected!
It only took 20 minutes.
It is not easy building highways. Just because I've built a couple highways in my long City Skylines run, I mean, I remember how hard it was. I can with a lot of nostalgia, look at my old maps.
Okay.
And reminisce about how hard.
Now no one can tell me. Please connect the highways. They are connected.
They're connected.
They're connected. Yes.
It's filled with cars. Ah!
Okay, it's working.
It is definitely working.
Okay.
Oh,
yeah, let's check on the traffic.
Yeah. Since we didn't actually add any intersections, yeah, we should. We're probably not going to see a massive increase, but 83, I'm pretty happy with that.
Yeah, I'll take it.
Mm-hmm.
I'll take it. There will be an egg about happening here, though. I don't.
You have 8 minutes. Do you want to egg about? Oh, one down. One too long. So that's good. That's the one you want.
It will be an egg.
It'll be an egg.
Okay, see?
Oh, keep going from the top so that they're on the right direction when you upgrade to one way. So find the apex. 2 more. Yep.
There's one thing I'm better at building than you, Maddie. One thing, but I'll take it.
Egg abouts. Hey! That is actually a really good egg shape. I'm not even. Like, that's a really good egg shape.
Made it right on time.
2 minutes to spare. Maybe. Oh, we made a great egg about. We built the highway. It was
like 80% of the episode.
The highway was the difficult part.
Yeah, but if I can make it, you can make it.
Yeah.
That's the lesson learned.
And it's so parallel. Yeah.
Okay, there's a crisis. I'm just stopping.
Well, good luck doing this at home. Figuring out the water.
Yeah. So next week. So again, it will be the last episode before a small break.
Yeah.
We might look into the train's high density zones as well. Something we wanted to do today, but I'm just too bad at building highways.
No, don't say that.
So hopefully you'll stick with us for the next week. I think I will just stop here because...
Yeah. Remember to check out all the other episodes of the previous episodes if you haven't seen them on our YouTube channel.
Yeah.
And
you have the full-length ones or you have the tutorials. I recommend the tutorials, definitely.
You don't want to listen to me babble? Come on.
To you, yes. Not to me.
I see. Okay.
Yeah. But again, thank you so much for joining us today. We'll see you next week. And again, we're waiting for your ideas. Just ping us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Wherever you have social media, you will probably can find us. So we'll be waiting for your questions.